Hello friends, welcome to our channel Serve the Taste. Today I'm sharing the cranberry hot pepper chutney recipe. This is a western style of Karonda chili chutney. Karonda or black currant is a fruit and belong to berry family. It grows in India. If you are from India and craving from Karonda mirch, try it. It tastes almost the same. And if you are not from India and never tried Karona mirch, means black currant and hot pepper, try it. It's very tasty. For this recipe, you need half teaspoon onion seed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon fennel seed, coarsely powdered, 1 teaspoon dry coriander seed powder, salt to taste, sugar 1 tablespoon, oil 2 to 3 tablespoon. I'm using grapeseed oil, but you can use any oil. We also need chopped Thai green pepper. They are very hot. I think I chop 15 to 20 peppers, but if you do not like spicy, you can take less pepper, or if you prefer very spicy, you can add more pepper. And I also took 2 cups of cranberries. To prepare this recipe, heat oil in the pan. Add onion seed to it. Allow them to splatter. Now add cranberries, turmeric, and salt. Mix well. Now add chopped hot pepper. Mix again. And allow to cook covered for 1 to 2 minutes. Uncover and mix again. Now add fennel seed powder and coriander powder. Cover and cook for 1 or 2 more minutes at low heat. Add sugar and turn off the flame. The sugar will dissolve in the hot mixture. You do not need to cook it more. I'm adding little bit more sugar. Leave it covered for a minute. And then uncover and mix well. See, the delicious cranberry and hot pepper chutney is ready. You can serve with roti, paratha, bread, or rice. You can refrigerate it for a week. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up. For more recipe, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.